Hey everyone, Leo with Dreaming Tree, and welcome to the assembly video for our fishing vest gift card holder. This is a little complimentary piece to go along with our Love Dad bundle. And if you're planning on getting Dad, or it doesn't have to be specifically for Dad, it could be for someone that you're just getting a gift card for, maybe Bass Pro Shops or something like that for their birthday. And we can just simply omit the little Dad caption that goes on the little tag on the inside, and use it for a variety of occasions. So while I kind of just started the assembly video here, forgot that I did not ink this little spot here. So you want to kind of make this a little more rugged looking. You can definitely hit the edges of, I'm just going to do the two front sections. I think that'll just be enough. I'm not going to worry about the inside. I did ink the back panel, and that's where you can write your little message. So you got plenty of room to leave a little sentiment or do some stamping, have your machine write a little message, whatever you want to do. Okay, so, and then also there's a bunch of stitching on this, and as you can see, I went in and I drew in the stitching. Now in the process, I inadvertently added some ink, or actually stitched some little areas that I wasn't supposed to. I was just kind of in the zone. These little areas here are actually markers to help you with the placement of the little pockets, but I don't think they're going to show up because they're going to be mostly covered up. Based on the design, they should cover up nicely. So anyway, I'm just wrapping up the inking here, and the assembly on this is very simple. And you're really just picking out like two colors. You've got a main color for the vest. We went with like an olive color, and then the brown for the pockets. And it's just pretty much as simple as that. So, okay, so let's take a look and see what we have here. And again, as I mentioned, it's pretty straightforward. And also here are your little tabs that are going to hold your gift card. Okay, so we have two pieces that are going to go here, and you'll notice that there's a series of score marks on the bottom of these, and that's to help you with the placement of the layer that goes on top of that. Okay, so this is very, very simple, quick assembly. Will not take long at all. Let's just get our glue on this piece here. And I suppose you could, technically, if you wanted to, you could use some foam squares to give these a little bit of dimension if you want to. Okay, so that's going to go there. And then we've got these two individual little pockets that are going to go on top there. And you can see that I also inked this to really make it all stand out. And I highly recommend doing that. It's going to look so much better if you just hit it with some ink. Nice and easy with the glue. And we'll just do the brown parts first, and then we'll put the olive green pockets in place. Try to make sure that they're lined up. Okay, and then wherever you see a stitch, you want to go ahead and draw that in with your pen. I used a very fine tip pen. Okay, let's get that in place. There we go. Perfect. And then we have these two. And now if you take a look here, I believe this is, okay, it is not a symmetrical square. Okay, so one side is a little bit shorter, so make sure you have the orientation correct. You want the shorter side up on top. Okay, and just use those little guides there to help you. Pop that into place. And again, I'm just using, it's kind of tough to tell because they're almost the same width, but they're not quite. Okay, so that's my top. And that's going to go right here. Just like that. Okay, and then we have these two pieces here. One's going to go right here, like so. I'm just going to match that up with that top part there. It's a very cool little piece. Definitely going to come in handy, and I bet it's downloaded quite a bit. especially for those of you that have fishermen in your lives. Okay. So if you're making the tackle box for someone, they will love this little piece too. Okay, so just line that up. Okay, that looks good. Pop that into place. And now, oh, we've got two more little guys over here that I forgot to put down. I was like, what is this thing? We have not gone fishing yet this season. We've got Peyton. He's gonna do some fishing with us this year. I mean, he's not actually going to fish, but he'll be with us. Hopefully it won't be too long before he's got a pole in his hand, but okay. And then we just need to put the pockets in place. Okay, so just a little bit of glue on the pockets. Don't overdo it. Okay, and that's gonna go right here. Flush with the top. Press that into place. We'll do the other one on top. And pop that into place. And then each of the little guys at the bottom also has a little pocket. Guarantee, even if no one in your family, I'm sure someone, you have a friend or a coworker, maybe your boss, pardon my head there, somebody, I'm sure you guys will make this at least once, if not more. Okay. Get that in place, there we go. And the stitching really makes it look cool. I guess if you're savvy enough, you could probably have your machine do the stitching, even though I believe some of the score marks are on the same layer, so you may have to separate that, but that's okay. Okay, and then this is just gonna go on the back, right here. Okay, so just glue that down. And then all that's left is to put together our little dad caption. So we have this white piece, and this black piece is gonna go on top of it. These are like the little cutouts for the word dad. So just go easy with the glue there. And I'm gonna dab that a little bit. I'm gonna dad that a little bit. Okay, pop that into place. And then we'll take our top layer, and it's gonna go right on top there. You can see these little cutouts for the D, the A, and the D. Okay. And just little dots. Tiny little dots. Just match that up, make sure it's right side up. Pop that into place. Just like that. Okay, and you'll notice here on the inside that we have two little score marks to help you with the placement of this. This is like the little tag, little brand tag that you would see on the inside of a t-shirt or an item of clothing, and that's just gonna go right there like that. Again, don't forget to put that on the back. And then finally, we have a little envelope to go along with this. I've already got it pre-folded. I'm gonna fold at the score marks, bring the side flaps in, and apply your glue just along the inside here, like so. There we go. Fold it up, press that down. And then you'll notice here we have a little fishy, looks like a little sunfish. I'm just going to glue that down, make the envelope a little extra special, so it's not so plain. I don't know that we've ever included just a plain old envelope. What fun is that? Okay, and just use the little score marks there. You've got some for the tail fin and the mouth. And there we go. Okay, and as you can see here, fits perfectly, and it is ready to go. So that's gonna do it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please take a moment and visit us on our YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button. While you're there, there's a little bell you can hit so that you get notifications anytime we release a new product, whether it be paid or free. And if you make this or anything from our Love Dad bundle, I'd love to see it, and so would the rest of our community. So head over to your Facebook and do a search for Dreaming Tree Official. That's where you'll find myself and over 40,000 other dreamers that inspire us daily. So anyway, had a blast. Hope you did too. And as always, I look forward to crafting with you again. Hey, thanks for crafting along with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, check out some of our other videos. And also, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to visit our site and check out our free SVG section where we have over 140 free SVG files complete with assembly videos. I look forward to crafting with you soon.